guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kia Imani back again with another video. I know you might be wondering what's going on with my hair. What's going on with my hair, but don't worry about it, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get all up in it. I'm going to show you how to do a quick 10 minutes hairstyle. Real quick, real fast, real easy. Y'all stay put, stay tuned, because I'm going to get all up in this hair. I'm going to be laid. I'm going to make sure my edges are laid. My hair is just laid. Everything is just laid and on fleek. Okay, so y'all stay put, stay tuned, and stay lit with me. Don't go anywhere. And also, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe right now. Go ahead. I'm waiting for y'all. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. All right. Okay, let's get right up into it. So right now I'm just brushing my hair into a high bun. I'm going to get that Eco Styling gel the front part of my hair and the back part of my hair. And I'm going to use that brush again to brush in my edges, make sure everything is laid, put in a high ponytail. And the loose hair at the top, I'm just going to wrap it around into the smallest bun ever. And get my scarf, honey, yes! And I'm going to wrap it around just to make sure these edges will be laid when I'm ready to hit the streets. Yes. So the second part is you need your braiding hair. You need some braiding hair. Like, it doesn't matter what type of braiding hair, you just need some braiding hair. Okay, I got expression because I thought it would be long enough for me, but it was too long, so I had to cut it. It was so long all the way down to my ankles. I was like, oh no, honey, I don't need to be stepping on my hair when I'm walking. I know that's inches, but still, I don't want all that inches. No. So I cut it in two. So what I'm going to do is thread it out. Thread it out. I don't really know how to do it, but I'm going to try. You see how it's like a blunt cut at the end? It's really blunt. So we're going to make it like uneven. So you're going to need like a rubber band or something. You're just going to go ahead, open it over and take it like this. Then you're gonna put one part, you're gonna put one, push it in and take it over. So basically this rubber band is holding the hair together. And this rubber band, I'm gonna put it on, but I'm gonna put it on the side that I do not want the braid to be on. So basically it's gonna be this big plait. So I want the plait to be on this side, on my right side. So I'm going to put it on the opposite side, which is going to be my left side. There we go. Put it around that hair, the little bun thing right there. This is it on my head. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plait. So while you're plaiting the hair, do not do it tight, plait it very loose. Y'all see the braid. We're going to flip it over. Flip it over. And we're going to put it over it. So right now I'm just pinning down the ponytail just to make sure it's very much secure. Then after, we're just going to open it up. Open. You know, that's the reason why I said not to braid it too tight, because once we open it up, it's gonna be hard to open it up when it's braided tight. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Real quick, real easy, real smooth and nice. Make me feel like I'm a princess. Not princess, a queen. Queen. Stop it. Queen, yes, it makes me feel like a queen. Like, you know, it's real easy, real cute. But this is it, you guys, and I put those little gold things in it to make it, you know, bring it to life a little bit, make it stand out. Like, you know, people see it, they're gonna be like, oh, that's cute. It's different. It's cute, you know. And I kind of put it at the end as well, and I loosen the ends out so it can make me feel like, you know, natural little type of nice little natural edgy type of feeling, you know. But I really like it. I hope you guys enjoy this video as well. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Go ahead and try it. I'm telling you guys, it takes about 15 minutes the most. 15 minutes, really. So go ahead, like this video, comment below, let me know what's going on, what you think of the hairstyle. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Share this video to your auntie, your uncle, your father, your sister, your brother, your dogs, and your animals and friends, everybody in your family. Let them know big things popping over here. I'm coming out with another video right after this, so stay put and stay lit and stay tuned for this, you guys, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.